Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Anybody can find 46 between 64 within 15 seconds. Hey my new viewer, you found it? Come on, time is over. Good job, that's the number 46. Hello genius, are you quiz master? Can you find the number 94 among 49? Hey, where my quiz lover? You found it? Come on, time is over. Good job, that's the odd number. Hey viewer, boost your IQ level. Can you find the odd emoji within given time? Come on, time is over. Amazing, that's one the odd emoji. Hey my audience, challenge yourself. Can you find the odd letter YS between SY? Super, that's the odd letter. Hello guys, test your eagle eyes. Can you find the odd number 68 among 86 within time? Hey my honorable viewer, you found it? Come on, time is over. Good job, that's the odd number. Hello my legend viewer, spot the odd emoji within 15 seconds. Good job, that's one the odd emoji. Hello my honorable viewer, spot the odd number 82 between 28 within time. Good job, you found it. Test your observation skills. Can you find the odd emoji within given time? Amazing, you capture the odd emoji. Hello viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd letter CX between XC? Excellent work my viewer, you catch it. Test your eyes. Can you find the odd letter KA among AK? Hey viewer, hurry up, time is over. Test your visual skills. Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? My question is very hard, but my viewer is very genius. Come on genius, time is over. Good job, this one is the right emoji. Anybody can find the combination of number and letter like 6H. Good job. That's the combination of number and letter. Next, medium level start. However, find the odd letter H3O between H2O within time. Amazing! That's the odd letter. Find the odd number 298 among 299. Time is up. Excellent. This one is the right answer. However, this was impossible to find the letter SEW within time. I know this was impossible, but you found it. Hello guys, can you find the odd one KWA within given time? Super, this one is the odd one. Hello genius, can you find the odd letter within time? Genius, you are sharp mind, you found it. Hello my senior viewer, which one is the unique vehicle in the below vehicles? Amazing, this one is the unique vehicle. Only the smart guys can find the odd number 569 among 596 within time. Amazing, this one is the odd number. Can you pick the odd one letter within time? Brilliant! You picked the odd letter in time. However, one letter is different in the below letters. Can you find in time? Come on, viewer. Brilliant viewer. That's one the different letter. Hello my genius viewer, one number is different. Can you find the odd number within given time? Good job, this number is different from another. Hey viewer, check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? Amazing, you have a sharp eyes. Check your brain. Can you find the odd flower emoji within 15 seconds? Good job, that's one the odd emoji. Medium level done, hard level start. Can you spot the odd number within 15 seconds? Amazing viewer, you passed the first puzzle of the hard level. Check your IQ level. Can you find the odd number within time? Amazing, your IQ level is good. Hey viewer, test your eyes. Can you find the odd letter V or N R within 15 seconds? Super, that's the odd letter. Are you focus master? Can you find the odd number within time? Amazing viewer, that's the different number. Hello my genius viewer, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd letter within given time frame? Amazing, your self-attitude is perfect. Hey genius, can you find the odd one within time? Super, that's the number. Only the sharp eyes can find the odd emoji within time. Amazing, you have a sharp eyes. Hey viewer, identify the odd number 7360 among 7366 within 15 seconds. Good job, you identified the odd number. Test your visual skills. Can you find the odd emoji within time? Your visual skills work is good. Hello genius, check your brain. Can you find the odd letter KYSU within 15 seconds? Vivo, your brain performance is awesome. Test your brain power. Can you find the odd number 8192 within 15 seconds? Good job, your brain is perfect. This quiz is specially for animal lover. Can you see it, the odd emoji within time? Amazing, that's one the odd emoji. In the last question of the hard level, test your brain. Can you find the odd letter within time? Brilliant! You passed the last question of the hard level. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.